guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, we're going to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, post out today's news. Alright, so Simon Jordan will be one of the senior men for Talk Sports. Baba don come as they analyze this Declan Rice move from wherever they come from, which is West Ham, to Arsenal or any other club. So Baba Fondi of the opinion say Declan Rice is not worth 120 million pounds. In fact, he don't even think say get any player with worth that price. Say now just the market, now they dictate, now they inflate, they carry all these prices go up. For example, look at Mikhailo Mudryk, he gets even 100 million pounds. Now at the end of everything, with the power of hindsight, will you say Mudryk is worth 100 million pounds? Then also it not be like Declan Rice. Declan Rice is a good player, no doubt. But the question is it worth 120 million pounds? At most 50, 60, 70 million pounds. Now you're supposed to buy this kind of player. When you say, we just say, okay, make a buy and make a go see whether it will work for me. But not you dictating the 120 million. You gotta give example, say, okay, look at Jude Bellingham of Dortmund. Last night, we just said he might buy the guy for 100 million pounds. Is he a 100 million pound worth of player? You get what is he bringing to the table? Well, these are the questions you Baba they ask. So as I make myself, I ask you whether I subscribe to the line of thought, because people like Charles Watts don't come outside and talk, say 120 million pounds, say if now even go pay, get say as long as Arsenal get the money they pay, say because that's always been the issue. People don't really they look at the money, say okay now this player I won't buy any amount to them put down, I go buy him again. So well, what you just see last go know whether Arsenal go really shell out this kind of humongous sum to buy a Declan Rice. What they watch. Alright, away from that, so Saliba and Zinchenko don't they set to miss the rest of the season again. For those who know they are aware, so that the Athletic, their journalist David Einstein, now come as I can break this news yesterday, and so many people don't carry him again. So you don't they confirm, say true. Now waiting go stop, say then go miss the remainder of the season, which means people like Kylian Tierney, Kivio Magales, and Ben White and Holding. These are the senior defenders we have to play the remaining 3 matches. Get so our prayer and make them not get any significant injury. Get we will come affect them for these 3 games or 1 play. So it is what it is. Like Zinchenko, Mr. By the one that say what do the guy now? Let's say about that Newcastle match. Now he get the injury, which means for Mikel Arteta to come out and early, that means maybe the guy don't give him one kind of sign. Say Baba come comot me. Are they injured? So they say get calf problem. So 2 of them go they out. But the sweet part, the positive side of the injury, they say Saliba will get back problem and Zinchenko will get calf problem. They no require surgery. So at the end of the season, after for pre-season, like yes, 1 month they will don't recover. So that's the good part of the injury. Well, we'll just watch how it will affect our title running, how it will affect the way we will end the season. But once we're going to say, no matter what is up, we will not end lower than second. So the question will say whether we will win our 3 games and whether Man City will come drop some points. Well, what is that going? Alright, Dean Jones also don't come as I call the talk say Arsenal still get plan for Emile Smith Rowe, because they look say, you know, say West Ham talk say if you want sign Declan Rice 100 million, may not give them 1 player and pay 100 million. So we got to talk say whether Arsenal will give them Emile Smith Rowe plus 100 million. So at the same time, because they explain say they still get plans for Smith Rowe. They say remember say this season get some kind of growing problem, we call it hinder or hamper in places for the squad. At the end of the day, you don't recover. So maybe next season after pre-season, we'll see whether they will integrate Smith Rowe into 1 or 2 places. But that one after they don't buy some kind of main player, so I will know how everything will be. At the same time, they can concede. Say people like Balogun, Pepe, and the like say those ones notice them get future for Arsenal. Even Kylian Tierney himself in future never really they certain get sure for him again. So we never know how everything will end. So we'll just watch. Emile Smith Rowe is a good player, but for me personally, I don't see him in phase 4. But I know say some people say don't see me they still give him a chance. For me, he's still a good player. Well, if they will give him a chance, maybe they give him a chance. No, maybe be a Arteta. We'll just watch how everything will end. Alright, the Sun come as I call the talk say Arsenal don't need back in for Dusan Vlahovic, and according to them, they talk say we are ready to make an offer once the season ends. Like Vlahovic, Juventus bought him from Fiorentina for 81 million pounds. You get 81 million. So no, 81 million euros rather. So they look say they go fit sell the guy for 100 million euros. I think maybe they make small change. You get after like 1 season where the guy down there for their and what if they push the guy to come up? Say no, say they be give them 15 points gap deduction you get for this season where they come rescind later. So they talk say maybe in the next season that point deduction will still come when the case don't go the final level, you get. So next season, so if you affect them, so they feel enjoy Champions League football this season, or the next season when they'll play. So the upper one, they feel they'll go. So all those things, all those uncertainty, just the boss, the guy, bro, we make an talk. So whoa, he don't be ready to go find another place where he go play. So more just the watch. They don't offer him to Arsenal and Manchester United. From the look of things, Arsenal, Arteta still like the guy because the team wey make am choose the guy before is still there. So at least he will give us a different dimension. That is if we sign him. So much just watch how everything will end at the end of the day. Personally, I love the boy. I love the way he plays, and especially that fact we'll be saying go bully defenders for you. If you want hold up play, go give you hold up play. Yeah. So also Eliana they do when go hold players, can't give all those kind of things. Go give you a plenty. If not to wipe shots, you get. If not say whether any young, what he want call anyone he wants, he did there. And he did very, very prolific if you give him a chance. Remember his records at Fiorentina. Very, very good when they take IC post. So just watch how everything will end. Alright, so today is the birthday of one of our senior man for this our community, Oga Sam. You get. So Oga Sam, we say the lines fall in place for you today and wish you all the best things life has to offer. Today is your birthday. Get enjoy your day, get mouth boss. Alright, so Talk Sports come outside, come let us know say Arteta they plan to bring Cancelo from Manchester City. Presently now, Cancelo dey for Bayern Munich, he dey on loan. You say Cancelo and Pep Guardiola, we don't really know wetin happen, but all we know be say dem get issue. He gets to the point where we say Guardiola no wan take eye dey see the guy again, come send am out on loan. You get so the guy don comot, come go for Bayern, go dey there. For Champions League, for those who remember, Bayern sef come for Etihad, come play. The Etihad fans call the book Cancelo for second half of them put am. So for the fans to hate you, for the manager to dislike you, so all those things don't mean say the guy no get future. But even for media setting, they ask Pep say how far Cancelo, what's it in future? But back to say for now I can't talk about him because he's not a City player, he's a Bayern Munich player. So at the end of the season, we are going to evaluate all the players. So the way things stand now, Arsenal will figure rescue the guy. They will rescue Trossard from the zero behind. Whether the Brighton with the coach get issue, get so all those kind of things. That is why if you check Man City setup, they change their shape from 4-3-3 where they normally play to 3-2-4-1 because they don't have a quality left back. They bought one Gomez from Anderlecht, but they can't understand the philosophy of play where Pep they display. You get so for that reason they call it play 3-2-4-1. So by the end of the season, we dey look say Arteta will go for Cancelo because some of them get good relationship. Arteta don coach am before because when Arteta was number 2 there, Cancelo was still there. So and Arteta dey believe say Cancelo understands what he wants. Get as Zinchenko get injury now, to say Cancelo dey now, we just slot in. They give you the same thing wey Zinchenko dey give you. So we just watch how everything go end at the end of the season. Especially now wey be say Kylian future no dey certain. So we will see how everything will end. Moses Caicedo agent today become Manuel Sierra don come outside call the talk say you see this season say Arsenal they get a fantastic season. The guy dey praise Arsenal plenty call the talk say whether Caicedo will go join Arsenal or be any other club say they never know for now. Say at the end of the season they are going to evaluate all the options wey dey available to them, but one thing dey certain and that thing be say Caicedo wants to play for a Champions League team. You get he wan go to the highest level of football where him idol you get N'Golo Kante don reach. So now wetin him sef dey look in route to in future na the way N'Golo Kante take do Champions League. That's one thing wey he talk say when you finish in the Champions League places, you are setting your club up for success because when they go for a player, the player will want join you. Look at a Caicedo now. What he's looking for is Champions League, and that Champions League is what we have. Which means even if Chelsea come for him, Chelsea is not likely to come and sign him. Even if Liverpool come, they are not likely to come and sign. So that's what we are talking about again. So for us, as I can't finish either first or second, you will show anybody who want join us say we are a serious side, we are an ambitious side again. So we'll finish for second. Look at where we are coming from. 8-8. We finish 5th. From 5th, we finish first or second. The next season, we want to do better than what we did the season before. So that's supposed to be the blueprint. So we'll just watch how everything will end with Arsenal, Caicedo, Declan Rice, Mendy. There are plenty. You get even my Latvia or Southampton. Everybody is scared for that one too. So we never really know who it will be for us. So we'll just watch. Alright, Gilberto Silva said maybe one of Arsenal legend don't come and second they advise the likes of Balogun and people like Charlie Patino say if they know what's good for them, better come up for Arsenal, better go join another club to develop their career because the way things be for Arsenal now, you know, go favor them. I was Baba just they advise them, say make them find their square roots, because you know if you even break into the first 11, and by the time we Arsenal will strengthen for the summer, second 11 going go they far away from you. So maybe now that kind of third 11, and you said you know go like to stay there. So if you know what is good for you, go and join under club. Like Balogun now what they talk say, you know won't go out on loan again. Say you want enter for the first 11. Patino self say no one go out on loan again. So you don't have any choice. If you don't want to go out on loan again, you have to find a square root to get, because Arsenal na big club. When me at the Arsenal na one big club, and they look and they carry us go one kind pedestal. Maybe all this kind of Balogun, they don't get place for you. Forget say they score 18 goals for League One. You know be this kind of player quality we need. Yeah, so that's why Baba advise them say find a square root. Alright, Fabrizio Romano said don't come and second give us updates about some kind of people want to renew their contract. So you're going to talk about Bukayo Saka. Since Saka don't sign new contract, we will take him from now till 2028 for Arsenal. So now just time, get say they will announce him anytime from now. They don't finish everything and just make the announcement. 9 remain. At the same time, because we talk about Aaron Ramsdale. So Ramsdale said don't sign your own contract, lengthy contract. And one important thing for that contract is say they want to increase in salary to reward them for the good things when they do for Arsenal. But we don't know how much it be, and we don't know what will be the length of years, how many years it will be. Like Saka now, we don't say that one until 2028. So for people like Saliba, this is Saliba won't still be ongoing. The talks are still ongoing. They never talk finish. So nobody really know how long it will take for Saliba. But I don't say before the end of the season, if you can't give us any updates, we'll just watch. So my dear Arsenal lovers, if you know say they watch us on YouTube and you never subscribe, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to our show so that we will get more and more reach. And if you're watching us on Facebook and you know to follow us, what are you waiting for? So it's maybe follow us so that our show will go more and more wider and wider. And as you do so, we will continue to bless you in Jesus' name and inshallah. So if you know what yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. I am out.